All right, and now begins Asia Quest.
Yeah.
We're going to.
Which is one of the sequels to Space Quest, actually.
We're going to Japan.
Yep. Now we need to make sure we collect a washcloth.
Oh.
A quarter. A ham sandwich.
Okay.
And a laptop from 1989.
Sweet.
Yeah. And then from there we should be able to beat it.
All right, so we have a red crowned crane. Look, it's Steve. Hi, Steve.
Steve!
Look over there. You just scared it.
Oh, yeah, Steve. Oh. Hi. There's Steve and there's Gary on the left.
The ambiguous we gave you
How come every time I get a recording, the birds have to poo?
That's how my poo's one out.
Why? The bird just pooed.
Every recording he's done
Yeah.
involving birds.
I get nothing but birds.